say today, best-selling author Hildie McQueen here, and today I just wanted to do a quick short video. I set up the camera while I was organizing my desk, and I just thought it'd be interesting to film and talk to you guys a little bit while I'm doing my cleaning in the background. So this was on Monday, and I walked into my office, and even now I don't want to look around because it's so disorganized and cluttered and messy. So I thought to myself that I was going to do one area at a time. So I was going to start off with doing my desk first one day. The next day I was going to do a shelf in my closet, so that I could declutter the other end of my office and move things into the closet. So I did, as you can see, work on this first project, which was Monday, and I cleaned off my desk and organized it. And then on Tuesday I did clear off the shelf and did manage to move some things in there, and then I haven't done anything since. Well, let me see. What did I do? I have been writing. My goal was to do 3,000 words a day. Monday I may have done 500. Yesterday, I think, let's see, I wrote it down. Let me see how many. I think I might have done 1,500 yesterday. Looking, because I write down beginning and second. So started at 29,000 and finished at 32,000. So 29, 30, 31, 32. Oh, so I did do 3,000 yesterday. I think, well, maybe a little bit less because it was 29,700. So maybe 2,300. So I did 2,300 words. And then today, see, I started at 32, and my manuscript right now is at 33.5. So I have done I've done less than 2,000 words. I just really am not doing my word count. I think I need to just set some timers and sprint or something, because I'm not getting my word count done, which really sucks because it's not good. It's just not good. I have to finish this manuscript, this book, by next week, and unless I really get on the ball here, I don't want to have to delay my release date. So anyway, what is stopping me? What is making it hard for me to write books right now? I think it's a combination of the weather and the fact that there's so much going on. And every year I tell myself, and then I don't do it, not to set myself up to write in November or December, because there's so much stuff going on and I'm mentally just not on track towards the end of the year. Yeah, so I think that is the situation with my writing. So besides the writing, I can't even blame my procrastination on the writing, can I? Because it doesn't seem like I'm writing very much, but I am at my desk a lot. I have, what did I do? But then I keep contradicting myself. I just realized that Monday I was home, so I didn't go anywhere, but I did clean my desk, do laundry, and get some writing done. And then on Tuesday I did leave, that was yesterday, about 3, so I worked till about 3 to run errands. And today I've been home all day and I haven't written enough. I am going to get to 34,000 words before I stop, so that's what I'm going to do. So let me tell you a little bit about my desk. It is a very inexpensive IKEA surface, and then you buy the drawers and legs separate. So it's very inexpensive, but I like it. It suits my purpose. I have this desk, and then I have a table next to it. You can see a little bit on the right of the Silhouette cutting machine that I used to cut stickers with. So the silhouette sits on another IKEA surface. And I need to drink some water. Okay, now the picture that you see on the screen, I think I took it. Did I? I think so. So it is a little allotment area that people do gardens and stuff like that over in Scotland. And this particular allotment owner has just like a very plush garden with roses. And what else did he have there? He had roses, and he had these other like tall grasses. And it has like a little patio, like wooden deck looking area with chairs and tables where you can sit there and look out to the loch. It has a little bit of an inlet to the loch, so I thought it's a really, when I took it, I thought, oh, this is really pretty, and I used it as a screensaver. And then there's a little gnome that ended up not being used. I decided that tree that I put on the left was way too tall to have over on the right side for my picture, so I moved it to the other side. Oh, I'm trying to adjust the camera. I think I bumped into it earlier when I walked past it in on my Rubenesque figure. And so right now I'm putting stuff up off of the chair because I had put a whole bunch of stuff on the chair. Yeah, so anyway, I moved the Christmas tree over to the left and then decided to do a grouping of little Christmas trees. The big one and the little one with the ice snowflake on the top, a friend of mine made those for me and they were gifts. And then the little green tree I bought at Target recently, and the white one, I don't remember where I got that one from, but it's got like a little house that you see by the monitor, by the moose looking thing. That one is a little set, and I might have gotten it at Michael's. I want to say Michael's. But I want to find some more of those little white houses. I really like them. Yeah, so then the globe that has the tree in it, I've had that for years and years and years. So, and I dig it out every Christmas. I'm surprised that's never broken. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. Watch me break it this time. Yeah, so I've had it for a long, long time. So, yeah, other than that, I've been like, I need to sit down and finish planning what videos I'm gonna do, because I still have another like 7 or 8 to do before the 24th. I want to, like I said, trying to do a very Hildie Christmas every day, and so so far it hasn't been too hard because I'm doing, kind of enjoying doing different things. So that has made it easy. But at the same time, I'm like, well, I also want to make things that you guys find interesting. So if you want to see something or know something, let me know. Right now, I am planning to do my writing schedule for January. And partly, I'm going to go into the first half of the year. And then I want to show you guys what's in how I plan my days as far as writing and other social activities. I mean, you guys see the after effects, but you don't see me planning for the week, so I'll be sharing that with you. Another video that I'm going to be doing is what's in my planner bag. As you see right now, the planner bag doesn't have my planner stuff in it. I made that. It's a diaper caddy and put the letters on, bought the self-adhesive letters. I really love this tote because I can pull the dividers out and just use it as a tote, or I can put the dividers in and use it for organizing things. Right now, my Bible and my church notebook and all kinds of messy stuff that I'm kind of showing you are in there, but I'm going to be organizing from the next meetup, which is this coming weekend. And then, so I'm going to be doing that. Also just put together reorganize my Bible journaling tote that I take to church on Sundays. I will be doing a video to show you guys what's in that. And also my weekly memory plans. I will be doing that, and I hope to do a couple of monthlies, plus I do have the weekly challenges. So there's a lot coming up on this channel. I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me, and yeah, give me any ideas if you guys want to see something, or want to see more of it, something, and just let me know. And I do plan to share a little bit more about the writing journey, give you guys ideas of what that is like. If any of you are interested in that, let me know. So other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your week, day, month. Talk to you soon. Bye.